Here's the blizzard of, what is it, 2010? That's the 8-foot fence. Fence. It's up as high as the table. My poor grill. I go to the front. Oh, we're hanging pictures up today. Your sister's farting and it smells like fucking eggs in the whole house too. The drift there, it's about 4 or 5 feet deep. There's the cars. The snow's about halfway up the door. There's shithead. There's Lori eating M&Ms.
Peanut M&Ms.
Bear, say hi. Say hi. Bear Bear. Say hi. What? Scare him. Now he's running up there to you.
It's open!
You see it's 3:30 in the afternoon and you see right there, in bed. You have anything to say for yourself? No? Okay, that's all. I'm hanging up now. Or shutting it off. Bye.